Miracle Kids. It's Miracle Baby Josiah. Subscribe now.
Uh-oh, the fireman's coming out. Let's go, fireman. He's stuck. He's stuck because of a boxing glove. Press harder. Whoa! Oh, we're driving. Don't go on the street. Look, I told you don't go on the street. There's a car coming.
Who is it?
Who knows? That's why you shouldn't go and ride in the street. Come on, go up here. Turn. Is the battery dead? Oh, man. We gotta charge you all up. Okay, fireman. You'll be right back. Okay, guys. Josiah's back. Uh-oh. Come on. Don't hit the... Oh, my goodness. Actually, that's Daddy's car. I know you think that because she drives it all the time, but that one is mine and this one is hers. Yeah, she pranked me with that one. I pranked her with that one. Ah, see, we got you confused. Come on, let's go. Turn, turn. Woo! Turn. All right. Drive straight. Drive straight. Man, you want to go so fast. I think you need a faster car. What do you think? What kind of car do you want? Huh? Okay, then drive it. Turn. You can't go in the grass.
All right. I'm not going in the grass.
You have to press the button. It's not going to work unless you press this. Talk now.
I'm not going in the grass, Daddy.
Look, look. You got to push this button in. Hold it in and then talk. It only works when you hold it in. You're not holding the button. Look how good he can drive. He can drive so good that he's just holding it with one hand. Oh, and he's standing up. Oh my goodness. Look at the Miracle Kid. Look at Josiah drive. How are you doing this? How do you drive like this? Come on, go. Is it dead again? You sure? Press it.
What
Go.
is it?
Press it. Oh. We had another fail. It died again. We had another fail. It died again. Okay, guys. Uh-oh, Josie has an idea. What's your idea? What? What's your idea? You have to say what your idea is. What's your idea? But what does that have to do with you riding this? I think you have to bring it back to the shop. Don't you say? You have to bring it back to the shop.
Yeah. Let's go to the shop.
Okay. To the shop we go.
Hi, Miracle Kids. It's Miracle Baby Josiah. Subscribe now.